Don't download Passive app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading Passive app, stop for a moment. Most people get this wrong. While Passive promises to automate portfolio management, it's not a magic solution and comes with some caveats that could surprise you. Passive is designed to integrate with your brokerage account and automate rebalancing, dividend reinvestments, and other routine tasks. It's particularly appealing for passive investors who follow a set allocation strategy. But the surprising truth is that it only works with specific brokerages. If your broker isn't supported, you can't take advantage of the automation features at all. Another important factor is control. While Passive simplifies rebalancing, some users feel uncomfortable handing over automated control, even though you approve trades manually. Mistakes in allocation or market timing could still happen if your strategy isn't properly set up, and the app won't advise you on what allocations are optimal for your personal goals. Fees are relatively low, but advanced features require a paid subscription. For casual investors, these costs may not justify the benefits. Also, Passive doesn't provide broader financial planning tools, tax optimization, or retirement calculations, so it shall replace comprehensive financial advice. On the positive side, Passive can save time and reduce manual errors in portfolio management. For long-term investors who want to stick to a passive strategy, it's a helpful tool that makes portfolio rebalancing straightforward and transparent. In conclusion, don't download Passive expecting it to replace your financial advisor or handle your investments perfectly. It's a tool for automating tasks, not for making strategic decisions. Understanding its strengths and limits will help you use it effectively and avoid frustration. Passive works best as part of a broader investment strategy, not as a standalone solution.